Welcome back, everyone. Today our focus is incident and accident investigation. As production process controllers, we are often the first people who see when something goes wrong, whether it's a near miss, a spill, a person getting hurt, or equipment failure. Our job is to react quickly, keep people safe, protect the scene, and make sure correct information is gathered so we learn from the incident. Very important investigations are not about blame. They are about learning and improving. Before we start, turn to someone next to you and share one workplace incident or near miss you've seen before and how it was handled. By the end of this session, you will be able to 1. Explain why incident investigations are important. 2. Apply the steps of an investigation process. 3. Demonstrate correct response to an incident. 4. Identify evidence and information needed. 5. Use the 5 whys to find root causes. 6. Complete workbook and POE activity. Let's start with a simple question. Why do we investigate incidents? Incidents and near misses are warnings. They happen because something in the system failed, maybe a process, training, equipment, communication, or behavior. We investigate to understand what really happened, find the real causes, and prevent it from happening again. Investigations improve safety, protect the company, protect jobs, and save lives. Let me ask you, why do you think some organizations ignore near misses? What happens when they do? Every investigation follows key steps. Listen to each one because later you will practice them. Step 1. Keep people safe, first aid and emergency response. Step 2. Secure and isolate the area. Prevent more harm and stop anyone disturbing evidence. Step 3. Preserve evidence photos, equipment status, witness details, notes. Step 4. Plan the investigation, who will assist, what tools you need, timelines. Step 5. Collect information from people, physical environments, and documents. Step 6. Build the timeline, what happened first, then what, then what. Step 7. Find the causes immediate, contributing, and system or root causes. Step 8. Recommend actions to prevent this. Again, fix the system, not just the person. As process controllers, we don't have to do everything ourselves, but we must know how to respond immediately and support the investigation. Now let's talk about my role as a production process controller during any incident, near miss, or accident. In a workplace emergency or safety-related event, I am not just a witness. I am a frontline legal duty holder. That means my role is to 1. Act immediately to prevent further harm. 2. Report incidents, hazards, and near misses right away. 3. Protect the scene if safe to do so. 4. Stop unsafe activities or equipment immediately. 5. Follow emergency and evacuation procedures. 6. Help secure the area and control access. 7. Provide factual information only, not assumptions or opinions. 8. Assist investigations by sharing accurate observations and records. 9. Keep documentation clear, accurate, and truthful. 10. As a process controller, I am often the first person to see a hazard. My decision can prevent injury, downtime, and environmental damage. Let's test your reaction time. Scenario. A worker slips in a wet area near a machine. They are hurt but standing. Other workers are nearby. In 1 minute, write down the first 3 things you would do. Take time to reflect, and we will leave room for discussion. Remember, protect people, then protect the scene. To understand an incident, we need evidence. Evidence comes from 3 places: people, physical items, and paperwork. When talking to people, we never accuse. We listen, ask open questions, and clarify facts. When looking at the physical area, we check housekeeping, equipment, PPE, lighting, signage, tools, everything. When checking paperwork, we look at procedures, training records, checklists, permits, maintenance logs, anything related to the task. During an incident or accident investigation, I may be interviewed as a witness or a person involved in the situation. My behavior and the information I provide must support a fair, factual, and accurate investigation. Here are professional interview behaviors I must follow. I stay calm and composed. I review what I saw, heard, and did. I focus only on facts, not opinions or assumptions. I remind myself to be honest and clear. I do not rehearse the story or talk to others to match versions. Every person must speak from their own experience. Now we on activity 2. Work in pairs. Imagine a forklift hits a pallet stack. Write down 10 things you would check or collect. Go. Now let's talk about root causes. Accidents don't happen because of one mistake. Often, it's a chain. Immediate cause, what happened? Underlying cause, what allowed it? Root cause, the system failure behind it, training, maintenance, supervision, design, or communication. To find root causes, we use the 5 whys method. Ask why until you reach the system issue. Example, machine jammed, guard removed. Operator not trained, no refresher program. Here is activity 3 scenario. An operator burns their hand adjusting a hot pipe. In groups of 3, complete a 5 whys chain and write 2 actions that would prevent this happening again. Let's begin. Corrective actions fix problems now. Preventive actions stop them happening again. Actions must be realistic, clear, and tracked, like updating SOPs, training, signage, maintenance, or equipment upgrades. Open your workbook and complete. 1. Your response steps, evidence list. 2, 5, whys, 3, and 2 preventive actions. Fantastic work today. You now understand how to respond to incidents, preserve evidence, identify causes, and support an investigation. Before you go, quick check. What is your first priority after an incident? What is one evidence type? Why do we use 5 whys? Thank you. See you at the next session.